Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to activate Lois credit card online. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. Without all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to open up your internet browser and go to google.com. By the way, it doesn't really matter if you're on your Android or iPhone phone, or if you're on a computer or laptop device. Just go to google.com and search for Lois here, and then you have to just click on the first link and then just log in into your Lois account. Or if you haven't already created an account, just click on create an account and create that Lois account. And once you have done that, just go to settings and there will be an option to activate your credit card. Alternatively, you can go to google.com and here you have to search activate Lois card like this, and then you can just click on the first link and you will be taken to this page. And then you just have to log in into your Lois account, put in your card number and everything else, SSN security number, and then just click on activate my card. And this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.